Hi everyone. We're here to discuss why some good characteristics, some communication characteristics that researchers should have for their profession. I looked at a few different websites to find some different sources. One of the sources that I found, they state that many researchers should schedule regular meetings with their teams, and that'll give you a chance to check progress, answer questions, minimize potential miscommunication concerning your research. Also, communicate your research in layman's terms. Explaining the bottom line and importance of your research motivates your undergraduate assistants by providing an overall goal to achieve. If you can discuss your findings, or if you're like a scientific researcher, if you can discuss everything in terms of layman's terms so that regular people can understand what you're saying, that gives you an added bonus. If you were to find something out scientifically and you were to tell me in scientific terms, there's a pretty solid chance that I'm going to have no idea what you're talking about. If you can kick it down to my level and explain to it on just a general basis where the general public would understand, you have better opportunity to explain what you do and your findings to people and having them understand the process. Another thing that I found on that source is express your energy, enthusiasm, and interest. Passionate leadership results in passionate results. Therefore, if you can show your energy to your team and always be positive in your communication, then your team will also, they'll feed off of your positive vibes. Therefore, you're all doing something positive together, and hopefully your team will have much more success. Another thing that researchers need to do is be able to file reports and understand the proper language to file the reports as to whether the report should be a formal or informal report, depending on who they are reporting to and what they are reporting. Our textbook for the class tells us a lot about their reports and the different types of reports, I guess, and the different professional methods to portray the reports to other people. A report, according to our textbook, is an orderly, objective message used to convey information from one organizational area to another, or from one organization to another to assist in decision making or problem solving. That's on page 157 of our textbook. It's important for researchers to just have good communication in general. If they can't communicate, or you can't communicate what you're trying to say, people will never understand your findings. You'll only be able to talk to certain scientists. You won't be able to talk to the general public. In order to be a good researcher, you really want to make sure you can get the information out there to the public, to everybody else. Because if you find something amazing, you want to be able to share that with people, not just keep it to yourself. So hopefully researchers can learn some good communication skills to help them and their team members create, really good experiments. I think that's it. All right, see you later. Thanks.